Hey everybody, I failed my inspection because I had an exhaust well that broke at the muffler, so it was gonna be 8 something. So I just got myself um, a metal exhaust hanger. This is the old one that broke off, and it was going through the damper. So here's the new one. I put the new one on, and that's where the wells broke, by the way. So I put the new one on. It went through the damper. It did not reach all the way down to the pipe itself, but I got some exhaust the strap, the metal strap, and ran it around the frame of the truck, and I overlapped it with the metal prefab hanger that I bought. So as you see, it goes through the damper like the original one did, but I reinforced it. See, I ran it over the frame of the truck, the strap, and secured it there, and then overlapped it with the other hanger that I bought, and I reinforced it. And then you see it stopped short of the pipe, but then I just continued with the strap. Went around the pipe because that's what the issue was. They said they couldn't re-weld it, and I had to buy the new section. It was gonna be 8 something. And if I bought it myself, it would be 6 something. Then I would have to put it on because the whole section is one section now, is prefab. So I did it this way and saved money. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.